Let us embark on a journey to Bosnia and Herzegovina, a country where East meets West and history weaves a complex tapestry. Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, Bosnia and Herzegovina beckons us to explore its rich cultural heritage, diverse landscapes, and the challenges it faces in the aftermath of historical events. Bosnia and Herzegovina's history is marked by its strategic location and diverse influences. From the Ottoman Empire's imprint in architecture and cuisine to the Austro-Hungarian legacy seen in grand buildings, Sarajevo, the capital, stands as a testament to a cultural mosaic. The historic Mostar Bridge is an iconic symbol of unity and resilience. The country's demographic makeup is characterized by ethnic diversity, including Bosniaks, Croats, and Serbs. Religious harmony is evident with Islam, Orthodox Christianity, and Catholicism coexisting. However, the scars of the Bosnian War in the 1990s linger, impacting inter-ethnic relations and societal healing. Bosnia and Herzegovina has undergone extensive post-war reconstruction, rebuilding infrastructure and communities. While progress has been made, economic challenges, political complexities, and issues of corruption pose obstacles to sustained development. The Dayton Agreement, which ended the war, shapes the country's political structure. Bosnia and Herzegovina boasts stunning natural beauty, from the emerald green Una River to the picturesque landscapes of the Dinaric Alps. The country holds untapped potential for ecotourism, offering opportunities for sustainable development while preserving its pristine environment. Sevdalinka, a traditional Bosnian music genre, encapsulates the soul of the nation. Its melancholic melodies and poetic lyrics reflect the cultural depth and resilience of the Bosnian people. Cultural expression through art, music, and literature remains integral to the identity of Bosnia and Herzegovina. The process of reconciliation and fostering unity remains a complex challenge. Divisions persist, and the political system established by the Dayton Agreement, while ending the war, also contributes to a fragmented political landscape. Overcoming these challenges requires continuous dialogue and commitment to shared goals. Investment in education is crucial for shaping the future of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Initiatives to enhance educational opportunities and promote intercultural understanding among youth are vital for breaking down barriers and building a more cohesive society. Bosnia and Herzegovina's diaspora plays a significant role in contributing to the country's development. Remittances and investments from the diaspora contribute to the economy, showcasing the potential for leveraging this valuable resource for sustainable growth. In conclusion, Bosnia and Herzegovina stands at the crossroads of its history, balancing the echoes of the past with aspirations for a united and prosperous future. As we reflect on its complexities, let us acknowledge the resilience of its people and the ongoing efforts towards reconciliation.